Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Model Builder, and we're going on Back to the Future. Or at least I should say back from the past, because we've not been doing this for quite some time. There are some new ones, a lot of new ones coming in. I'm doing them by 2 stages, so no packs, just stages. Let's get into this beautiful build. With this and as you can hear, that's not plastic, that is metal. Okay, we're starting with this one, that pointy little thing and that screw hole, and it's over the edge, so not over the hedge, but over the edge. Getting my most favorite screwdriver out, that one. Then we're putting the hose that we have right there from that point there in front of the plaster, and that's in pretty darn good. Then we're getting the ambulance out, that red thing, with this just as I have it here. And we're going to put some screws from underneath. There we go. And what are these screws that we're looking for? Still staying with the GP. There we go. And we're keeping them in and screwing them in. They're in pretty tight already, but and we're screwing into that one there. We're putting a whole lot of stuff on this. As you can see, that is what we have right there, and this one is pretty nice. They've put those in already, but I'm gonna neaten up those wires because they came out of where they are supposed to stay into. There we go, neatly in there like so. And I think we're going to put it right there with that part towards my belly. And there's a location lock on that side right there, and another GP to go in. Oh, one was AP, one was GP. Well, and here both GP. So I need to make a little change on the red one because I put 2 GPs in there, but they seem to hold. Let's see. The one's supposed to be an AP, so I'll get that out. Let's see if we can still fix that properly. And with that being screwed in, this stage is done. 111. With that, the reactor plate, or at least the first few steps, are done. So as you see right there, that is one of the things we need to do, but I don't know how far that needs to go. So I'm going to fit that from that point to, yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put that one in there first with 2 SM screws, pretty long screws. And as they're M screws, That needs to be in there like so, and then we're going to put this one on with 2 of our favorite AP screws. Yep, and that is what we have at the moment, and we're going on with that little plate. And we're gonna put in, of course, our favorite AP screw. This one's called Bob. How do I know that? Because it doesn't want to go in. There we go. Bob's in. Bob's your uncle. Then we've got those 2 to put in right here. Yep. And we've just put that on this position. So we've put that right there, and then we're going to put those on with AP screws, most probably. I'm reading properly. Okay, yep. 2 of them, and this time I've got Ernest and Jost. There we go. Then we're going to get that one out. Have a look at that. There's a little outtake there that we can put it on, like so, with a BP on the other side. There we go. Sorry if you caught the microphone here. So we've put that one in, that one, that one, that one, and that one, as you can see right there. Then we're going to take the other one out. I didn't see that. There's a lug on the reactor plate itself as well. And that makes it stick even better with this one as well. There we go. That's in there as well. Then we take that one out and those parts, and we're putting it in, I think, like so. And that looks pretty darn, needs to stay in, falls out. And we're putting, come on, we're putting this one over it with the pins into the pin holes that we see there. We're putting it right there and pushing the other one into that lug hole, I should say, and we're putting out another big John Candy screw, and that's in as well. Oh, wow, that's 112 done, and these stages that I wanted to do done. So let's put that aside. A pretty quick one, as you can see right there, and I will be doing some more, and I hope you will join me there. So please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.